Hey guys, I went ahead and I got this hand truck from KEDSUM. It was a decently priced hand truck on Amazon, and it's something that I need. There's a couple of features to this hand truck that I really like, is why I got it. I like that it folds up. So it folds up really small, and then it goes ahead and it pulls out so you can do big stuff like refrigerators or whatever you need. And then you can tuck it away for later in a nice closed area. So thank you, KEDSUM. Let's check it out. I'm going to pull it out of the box. It says it has up to 360 pounds, so that's perfect. Looks like you do just have to put the wheels on. It comes in the box. So this thing seems really durable. It's got these secondary wheels here. Let me put it together and we'll check it out. Alright guys, it took less than a minute. It comes with the tool to put it together. 2 nuts, you just put the wheels on. It even comes with some nice gloves that you can use. So let's check this guy out. What I like is how compact it is. Pulls out. Sweet. Can pick up heavy barrels without a problem. I love that it has the ability to hold your load. Gives you a nice resting point. Boxes are full of 50-pound wheels. Not a problem. Guys, this thing works really good. Retracts all the way out. It's going to work great for carrying stuff around the shop. It does do 360 pounds, so absolutely perfect. I like it's got the 2 little wheels, so it'll keep your load stable. And like I said, my favorite thing about this is that it retracts all the way down and holds away. Keep it in your garage, and it doesn't take up too much space. 360 pounds. Check it out. Click on the link below and get one today. Thanks, guys.